Okay, this is a F4U Corsair RC plane. We're going to give you a rundown on it. Go ahead, Jim.
And it's got a Stato FA72 engine.
Go ahead.
And I'll go through the surfaces here. There's the ailerons, the elevator, and the rudder. And I'll just flip it over so I can see how the retractable landing gear works.
That's pretty damn cool right there.
It's a mechanical landing gear. And it has a FA72 stator, not stator, Sato engine, which is one of the better ones.
Kind of cool looking too.
I'll start it now.
No, it's okay to start it. I'm not being, I don't know. It's okay to start them upside down?
Yeah.
Okay. Get a little. Was that just a muffler?
Where?
Or no, what you just put in?
That's a starter.
I know that's a starter, but what's this, Jim?
Oh,
I forgot. A spark plug?
For the glow plug.
Glow plug,
Battery
right.
for the
Now
glow
I remember.
plug.
It's been a long time. Great, sounds
And
great.
now I'll flip it over, put the canopy on, and we'll start it again. That should about do it for now until I get the canopy on.
Okay. Okay. Can you work that landing gear again,
Yeah.
Jim?
Yeah.
Just pick up the airplane a little and see how that landing gear works. That's so cool. Look how it folds up in there. That is so cool.
Yeah.
What a great look that gull wing has. That is so nice. So we have a wingspan approximately of, there's a tape measure on the ground. It's approximately 5 feet, about 5 feet, with an overall length of, come on, get over here. You get an overall length of about, see this, about 4 feet. We'll go through some of this. What else can you tell me about this, Jim? Servos, how many servos we have?
One on each aileron, one servo for the elevators, and one servo for the rudder, and one servo for the throttle.
So that's a what, an 8-channel,
4-channel.
4-channel? You say this engine has very low hours?
Yes, it's almost brand new. The plane hasn't been flown much, and engine hasn't been run much.
And we're making this available less radio and receiver. Radio and receiver are available, but that's going to be extra. And we found that most people like to use their own radios and their own receivers.
Yeah, I'll have to keep my own radio.
Yep. And yeah, he wants his own. So yeah, it's in pretty damn good condition. We had just there's the inner side. There was a repair made on that wing, and that's about it though. That's a
Stabilizer.
stabilizer. It's got a gusset in it, so that looks like it'll take care of that problem. Everything else is pretty solid. A little dusty, but it's an airplane. And it's for sale on eBay. Check out the listing. Should be up shortly. Thanks.